Good morning, students. Now we are going to see tribes, nomads and settled communities in history. Tribes, nomads settled communities. Tribes means பழங்குடியினர், nomads means நாடோடிகள். சரி, tribes in society, India is made up of several varieties of people, several groups. Some groups, social groups are followed by Varna or caste. Followed by Varna or caste. Or caste system that is prescribed by Brahmins, prescribed by Brahmanas. Brahmanas. Okay. Then the Varna system emerged during the Vedic period 1500 to 500 BC by BCE. 1500. to 500 BCE and is classified according to their basis of occupation. Caste is classified according to their basis of their occupation. First, caste is classified according to their occupation. Then person's birth is classified according to their birth. According to their birth. Occupation, person's occupation was decided according to their his or her birth. Classified according to occupation, according to the his or her birth caste, birth in caste. People further grouped into different classes according to their settlement. According to their settlement. Next one is the tribal society in India is hierarchy or class quantity. Next one, their members is tied to each other according to their kinship. According to their kinship bonds or by their family. Then tribes, the right to their lands and pastures are equally shared by all the members in their family. By all the members in their family. Some tribes are nomadic then and move from one place to another, while other can earn their living from agriculture. Then some tribes are nomadic earning their livings by agriculture. Earning their livings by agriculture. Most tribes engage livelihood practices, some such as hunting, gathering and rearing animals. Hunting, gathering and rearing okay. The tribes in India followed their ancestors following. The tribes in India followed their ancestors' way. The tribes in India followed their ancestors' way because they do not interact with the other people in the world. Next one, they are found in Himalayan belt. Tribes are found in Himalayan belt. Himalayan belt. The desert of western India. The forest hill tracts of central. Hill tracts of central, southern and eastern India. And also in other few places like other places like Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Lakshadweep. First, our community, India, is made up of several group of people. First of all, India followed as Varna or caste system that is prescribed by the Brahmanas. Varna is the system that is Vedic period 1500 to 500 BCE. Then caste system is classified according to their occupation of that people. Then after that, according to their occupation, they are categorized into his birth in the caste. According to their occupation, they are classified his or her birth in the caste. Next one, nomadic means earning the nomadic means Nadodigal, that is earn their living by agriculture, and some other earn their living by hunting, gathering and rearing. Then tribes are found in Himalayan belt, the desert of western India, the forest hill tracts of central, southern and eastern India, other places of Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Next one, India's subcontinent. First one in 13th to 14th century. During in 13th to 14th century, the Kogar tribes, tribes influenced in Punjab. Next one, they were succeeded by Gagras. Then Emperor Akbar made Kamal Khan Gagar as the chief of Gagar tribe. As the chief of Gagar tribe. Emperor Akbar. Next one, his Mansabdar ranked government officials also. Yes, government officials. Yes. Major tribal communities in India means 13th to 14th century. Gogar influence in Punjab. Next one, Khagas, that is Emperor Akbar announced as Kamal Khan Gagar as the chief person of the Gagar tribe. Next one, in that Gagar tribes, there are government officials also included in the Gagar tribes. Next one tribe is the Baluchis. They were in the northwest part of India, northwest part of the country. They lived as a clans, smaller clans. Then have their own chiefs also. Next one, Baluchis are main. They are found now in Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Next one is Gadis. Gadis, Western Himalayas, lives in Western Himalayas. And also northeastern part of the subcontinent. Nagas and Ahoms. Northeastern part of subcontinent. Next one is fourth one, Mundas and Santals. Mundas and Santals. Bihar, they are founded in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Bengal. Bengal. Then Kolis and Barats. Kolis and Barats. Highlands of Maharashtra. Karnataka. And Gujarat. Next one is Vetras, Koragas, Vetras and Maravas is southern part of the, they are lived in southern part of the subcontinent. Next one is Bills. Western and Central Asia. Central India. Agriculture. And zamindars. Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Okay, ma. Major tribal communities in India, that we saw Khogar community, that is 13th to 14th century. Khogar tribe was very influential in Punjab. Next one is Kabbar. Kabbar tribes are announced as the Kabbar tribes. Here Kabbar is announced as the chief. Akbar announced the Kamal Khan Kabbar as the chief person of the Kabbar tribe. Next one, they are ranked as the government officials also. Then the Baluchis lived in the northwest part. They are found in northwest part. They live such a smaller clans. Then their chief. They have their own chiefs in their community. They lived in Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan also. Next one, Gaddis tribes, that is they are found in western Himalayas, and Nagas and Ahoms, they are also a tribal community, and they lived in the northeastern part of the subcontinent. Then Mundas and Santals, also a tribal community, belongs to the tribal community, and they lived in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Bengal. Next one is Kolis and Barats. They lived in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Gujarat. Then Koragas, Vetras and Maravas, that is they are found in southern part of the subcontinent. And Bills was found in, they are living in western and central India. Their occupation is agriculture, and they live as like a zamindar, and they are Bills are found in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and also in Maharashtra also they are found. Then Bills helped in Rajput king Maharana Pratap is the fight against the Mughals. Bills helped in the for Rajput kings, to fight against with the Mughals also. Nomads means moving from one place to another. They move from one place to another with their livestock. One place to another with their livestock. They are also known as pastoralists. They are also known as in India, the nomads are called Banjaras. India, one of the nomads is called Banjaras. They are trading important trades. Okay. Okay, ma. First, tribes. The Indian society made up of several groups that we know. The first of all, they classified. They are grouped under Varna or caste. Varna means that is prescribed by Brahmanas. Varna means Varna system, which is the Vedic period 1500 to 500 BC. Then tribes is classified. Tribes are classified according to their caste, is classified according to their occupation. After that, occupation is classified according to their birth in the caste. Next one. After that, the right to their lands and pastures. Then tribe society in India, last caste hierarchy and class inequality. Then their members are tied with each other by families and kinship, family and kinship bonds. Then some tribes are nomadic, that is moved from one place to another with their livestock, and then they are also called as, in India they are also called as pastoralists. In India they are also known as Banjaras, and they are used in important trades also. Next, tribal community la neriya paathom, that is Gogras paathom, then Gagas paathom. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து வேறு என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா எத்தனை different types of tribals. Then Baluchis, next one is Gadis, then Mundas, then Santals பார்த்தோம், Vetras பார்த்தோம். Next one is Maravas, then Koragas பார்த்தோம். The Bills are spread Western Central Asia. They are also a tribal community, belongs to tribal community. By the 16th century, many of them settled for agriculture, and some other people is interested in hunting, then rearing of animals and gathering. Next one, and they are found in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and also in Andhra Pradesh. Then nomadic from one place to another, they are also known as pastoralists. India, they are called as Banjaras, and they are influenced by the traders, for important traders also. Then next one, tribals are also working as zamindar. Okay, thank you students. By now, after we next class we are going to see about nomads. Thank you students.